Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Really nice Walmart haul for you guys today. I have got, I think like 9 or 10 pieces, kind of athletic wear slash athleisure, and it is all so good. Most of the items in this video are under 20, but I know that all of them at least are under 30 at the time of filming this retail price. I believe it's just 2 sweatshirts, honestly, and everything else is like 25-ish or under dollars. So very good price points. I will have size information linked in the description bar below for y'all to shop, and know that none of these items are maternity, but I am 23 weeks pregnant, so we're just kind of sizing around that. I do have just kind of like belly only, so I'm able to size up one, but let's go ahead and get started. First up, I have this adorable solid plain white sports bra that is not see-through. So this is a molded cup sports bra. There isn't like any additional cups added in here, which I actually really appreciate. Sometimes I can get really frustrated with those. This is $16 and it does come in sizes extra small through 3XL. I did go ahead and grab an extra large just because I'm kind of sitting at like a triple D right now. I usually wear like a 34 triple D. So I did know I was gonna have to size up just to fit everything comfortably, and I love this. It does have a little bit of mesh in the top here, and also in the bottom here, but it has just a solid white back, very thick band, very comfy, and again, I really appreciate that this doesn't have any actual like cups in it, because I have seen that in a couple sports bras lately. It's just not my favorite when I'm buying them, but $16 holds decent. I would not say high intensity workout, but I would say, you know, if you're going on a walk, doing yoga, any kind of like even maybe biking style workouts, you're probably good to go with this. Just no jumping or like running is going to be convenient with the sports bra. These crisscross waist bike shorts are only $11. Now they have 4 color options. I got the tie-dye. They have a 5-inch inseam, and they're also available in sizes extra small through 3XL. I wanted to be able to wear these throughout the rest of my pregnancy and really do wear them like as athletic wear. So I did decide to get an extra large in these. I sit at a true size like medium slash size 6 pre-pregnancy, so usually I'm good to size up 1, but just to make sure to really get me through the heat of the summer, I went with the extra large. But I love the kind of tie-dye print on this. I love the thick band, and they are very comfortable. I am 5'9", so definitely, you know, a decent length, but love the tie-dye print, 4 colors available, and very affordable too. With these next few pieces, you'll have to catch me if I say sets. They are not sets. This sports bra has an adjustable, well, 2 adjustable straps on the back. I actually really like the placement because sometimes I can get really frustrated that like the clips tend to dig, especially if you are doing a high intensity workout. They tend to dig if you do find an adjustable sports bra. So I like that the adjustment is in the back. I did get this in an extra large as well, and I would say that this one is actually a little bit better for high intensity workouts. It feels like there's just a little bit more support. And this one, I would say it also has that kind of molded cup feel, but this is thicker than the white one. Again, it has a thick band all the way around the bottom, so very comfy. This is $14. There are 8 colors available, and it comes in sizes extra small through 2XL. And I got the matching shorts, but again, these aren't a set, just super cute. I love the like kind of the magenta purple with orange and blue. I feel like it's perfect for summertime. So these high-rise running shorts actually match the print of the sports bra I just showed you guys. Again, not a set. These actually have a bike short inside. Now I didn't quite see the inseam like sizes, I guess, on the website, but these are really nice, and they do kind of stick out below the shorts themselves, so you can definitely wear these biking. Again, just like the sports bra, they come in 8 colors. I believe this retails for $14 and is available in sizes extra large through 2XL as well. These do not have adjustable straps on either side or even like hidden on the inside. It does have this like piece here that you can pull and tie. I never count that as adjustable because I don't find that comfortable or even really convenient. It's not my favorite way. So I never consider this as adjustable, because what you're gonna have to do is pull this and then tie it in a knot, and I find the knot to be really irritating. So I did just size up to a large in these. Very comfy and very cute, and I love that I can get them kind of to match the sports bra. I feel like I'm gonna be living in things like this summer when I am a million weeks pregnant. and it's, you know, in the South. I'm gonna be sweating, but excited to have little matching pieces like this that are also affordable. Now, I did mention this sweatshirt in the last video, but it's actually the joggers that I wanted to share today because you guys can see these are the exact same color. So these are fleece sweatpant joggers. They are so comfy. I mentioned in the last video and even shared the like neon yellow set that I loved it so much. I wanted to get it in all the colors, and I saw the blue pants the other day and I knew I needed them. Just like these shorts that match the sweatshirt, these have a full adjustable wide waistband. Very comfy, very cozy. I know you probably think I'm crazy because I'm buying sweatpants in April as we are moving towards the warmer temperatures, but I do always just love a good pair of joggers. So I could not resist these, especially with the color. There are 6 colors available. This is the teal luster color, just like the sweatshirt. This does retail at like $26, but I actually see these on sale all the time. They are available in sizes extra small through 3XL, and I think they are so comfy. They definitely fit true to size if you are not pregnant, but I just had to size up to make sure they fit my belly for as long as I wanted to wear them. And then just to mention the actual sweatshirt itself again, I don't think I showed the blue. I told you guys I bought the blue. Teal luster, I bought this up one size in a large. Very comfortable, that fleece line. This actually has a lot more color options than the shorts and the pants, which is a little frustrating. I'm not sure if that was a stock issue, but currently you can still get more sweatshirt colors than you can matching pants and shorts. But regardless, I absolutely love these and the colors are phenomenal. This retails for $30, available in sizes extra small through 3XL. These stay sold out, so if you do see your size, I recommend getting them. I haven't seen these on a sale yet. That doesn't mean it's not gonna happen. These are just really soft and cozy. And then I did just want to mention the shorts as well to kind of show you guys. The color is Orbit Yellow, and these are the shorts. I could have gotten them in the blue as well, but I feel like that would be a little crazy, but you can kind of see it just has, again, that thick band, adjustable waist. I sized up 1 to a large in these. They do have pockets, really comfortable, but these are definitely, at least they've been on sale for like 2-3 weeks at this point. I'm seeing a lot of sizes, and this one definitely sell out quick. So if you see it in your size, I definitely recommend it. Fits true to size, just really comfy. But I did want to kind of show y'all these sets. Again, see I'm doing it. They're not sets. I did want to show y'all this loungewear, just so that if you really like it or you do still live somewhere where it's a little bit cooler, you do still have this option to look spring ready even though it's cool outside. An honorable mention I did want to share just because I've been wearing these nonstop, and I did mention them in my last video, but I feel like I can't talk about these enough. They are definitely, I think it was the top 3 seller for the 3rd week in a row on my Like to Know It. Like, these sneakers are amazing. They're 24 bucks, fit true to size, memory foam. They come in 2 colors. I have the red and the white. I love them. I wear these on my walks all the time. The shoe like bottom is dirty, but it hasn't even sort of gotten torn up yet. Very lightweight. I haven't ran in these, but I do just do a lot of long walks. My white ones I wear more for athleisure, but like these are my workout shoes and I really do like them. They have the matching red laces. I just can't say enough good things, so I did want to mention these again because I've been kind of wearing them throughout the video, wearing them a ton recently, and everyone who has purchased these absolutely loves them. Like, I get so many DMs on Instagram of people telling me that they absolutely love them. So makes me very happy to hear that. And then these, so they are actually out for delivery today. I waited as long as I could to film this video, but it's actually just a pack of men's shirts. I got the 2XL because when I had my first son, I just did not want to wear anything except for like oversized shirts and honestly just underwear to bed at the end of my pregnancy. I was so hot already, and I know that, again, I keep saying this because I'm a little stressed about it. Being pregnant in the South in August is just gonna be, it's gonna be interesting. So I wanted to get some larger shirts because, I don't know, all my white like big shirts that I wear to bed were just so tight, and they were all extra larges. So I just was like, you know what, let me get some 2XL, just a pack of men's comfy t-shirts. And I bought these the other day. I think there's like a red, a blue, a green. It's like a whole 6-pack. But they look really comfortable. That actually is the same brand that I have in my other sleep shirts, but they are a little bit of a different different like cut, and so I'm just not sure if the material is the same. I have bought the white shirts that I wear to bed all the time like years ago. There's not even tags on them anymore, so I couldn't check it out. But I do like to wear just big oversized shirts to bed anyway, so I was like, you know what? We can't go wrong. So those are out for delivery, and I'm very excited to have some super oversized, just big men's shirts to wear to bed. And that is it for today's video. I know that we did talk about this in the last Walmart video, and a lot of you guys said, like, I like shorter videos because I have better availability and like I have the option to get my hands on something a little quicker. So I'm definitely gonna be cranking out more Walmart hauls for you guys very soon. Make sure to click the subscribe button below if you like these kind of videos. And also give it a thumbs up so that I know that you did. Love y'all so much, and I'll see you in my next video.